girl, that was the reaction I had when I saw this strip too. My client has been at home for the holidays these past few months. She's finally back, so we're gonna cleanse, trim, and season her down with some baby powder before we go in with Sexy Smooth. This is about 4 of their waxes mixed together, and I am doubling my strip because it's been about 2 to 3 months since she's been to me, so I want to make sure that nothing is going to break. And listen, here it is. There we go. That sounded like straight up Velcro, and I absolutely love the sound. And look at the ends of that hair. Like, it's just chef's kiss. It never fails. So I'm going to do my cleanup strip. Even though there doesn't look like anything is there, it definitely is still some left behind hairs. And it tried to break on me right here, but I just readjusted my position with the wax, and I was able to get it all off. And at the end, I added my rejuvenating body oil to soothe and calm the area. And what I do on one side, I'm going to do on the other side. And the biggest thing I can say is make sure that you are applying a lot of pressure when doing any wax, especially if there's a lot of hair and if it's coarse hair. You want to make sure that that wax is being manipulated through your hair or through the client's hair, so that way when you pull it off, it'll be pretty much a one and done, but just little to no cleanups, okay? Everybody's hair texture is different, so of course you do that how you should with your client. Sorry. I almost lost grip, but I got it back, baby, and now let me tell you something. That was nice. She asked to hold it, so I was like, sure, girl, why not? Go ahead.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. I'm not even mad at it because as an esthetician, I be examining strips too, myself and my clients. And I love the way it feels at the end. When you touch it, it's just, I don't know, it feels so good. But make sure y'all follow all of my platforms. I even created my YouTube, and I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.